The Turkish Air Force has recently taken delivery of its fourth T-70 utility helicopter, marking another significant milestone in the country's ongoing effort to expand its domestically produced rotorcraft fleet. The induction ceremony, held at the 3rd Main Jet Base Command in Konya on September 3, 2025, highlighted the helicopter's versatility and multi-mission capabilities, including search and rescue, wildfire suppression, and the transport of personnel and cargo. This latest addition follows the previous deliveries of T-70 helicopters, with the Air Force receiving its third unit in August 2024 and the Gendarmerie General Command having accepted the first delivery in December 2022. The program continues to follow a staged delivery schedule, with additional units planned for the coming months. The T-70 program, also known as the Turkish Utility Helicopter Program, TUHP, represents Turkey's commitment to domestic aerospace development, combining advanced capabilities with local production and technology transfer. The origins of the T-70 program date back to the mid-2000s when Turkey began seeking a modern replacement for its aging utility helicopter fleet. The initial effort, launched in 2005, was ultimately cancelled, but a renewed push began in 2009 when bids were solicited from AgustaWestland with its AW149 and from Sikorsky with the S-70I. After an extensive evaluation by the Defense Industry Executive Committee, the S-70I was chosen in 2011 as the base platform for licensed local production under the leadership of Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSA. A formal contract was signed in 2014, becoming effective in 2016, with a value of approximately $3.5 billion and a 10-year production timeline. The agreement called for the delivery of 109 helicopters to 6 different users: the Land Forces Command, Air Force Command, Special Forces Command, Gendarmerie General Command, General Directorate of Security, and the General Directorate of Forestry. The program not only aimed to provide modern helicopters for Turkey's military and civil agencies but also to foster domestic industry and increase self-reliance through the local manufacture of airframe structures, avionics, dynamic components, and engines. Production of the T-70 helicopters has been coordinated by the Defense Industry Presidency and led by TUSA as the prime contractor. Major Turkish subcontractors contribute to different aspects of the aircraft, with Aselsan providing advanced avionics, TEI handling the licensed production of the T-700, Ti-701D turboshaft engines, and Alp Aviation supplying rotor systems, gearboxes, and landing gear. Sikorsky remains involved as the platform originator, offering technical guidance and supporting the transfer of knowledge to ensure successful domestic production. To date, an initial batch of 39 helicopters has been completed, while the remainder of the program's 109 units is scheduled for phased delivery. This ambitious effort has allowed Turkey to partially decouple its helicopter production from foreign dependence, even as U.S. sanctions and export license restrictions under the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act, CAATSA, have introduced structural challenges to the program. The T-70 is designed to operate in a wide variety of environments and mission profiles. Its monocoque fuselage allows integration of Turkish-designed mission systems, while a standard crew of 2 can manage operations for up to 20 passengers or an external load of approximately 4 tons. Performance specifications include a maximum speed of nearly 296 km per hour, operational ranges between 460 and 600 km depending on load configuration, and an endurance of 2.5 to 3 hours. The helicopter can operate under extreme conditions, including high temperatures and high altitudes, with a service ceiling of approximately 6,096 meters and gross takeoff weights ranging from 9,979 to 10,659 kilograms depending on configuration. The cabin measures around 2.14 meters in width and 1.37 meters in height, with an interior volume of 11.22 cubic meters. Propulsion is provided by two domestically manufactured T700 Ti 701D turboshaft engines, produced under General Electric license, with TEI supplying over half of the components. This level of local manufacturing reinforces Turkey's industrial autonomy while ensuring that the fleet meets operational and logistical requirements. Avionics integration is a key feature of the T-70, with Aselsan providing an integrated modular avionics system (MAS) that combines mission computers, multifunction displays, digital mapping, and navigation within a reconfigured cockpit. This system allows for both day and night operation, while integrating communications, navigation, mission planning, and flight management functions into a single platform. Alp Aviation contributes essential dynamic components, including main rotor heads, tail rotor assemblies, and gearboxes, which have been delivered since early 2020. TUSA handles final assembly, structural work, rotor blade production, and testing at its facilities, ensuring quality control and compliance with program specifications. The combined efforts of these companies allow Turkey to maintain production continuity even under the pressure of foreign restrictions, demonstrating a growing domestic capability in aerospace manufacturing. Operational deployment of the T-70 has already been extensive. The General Directorate of Forestry has employed the helicopters for wildfire suppression in regions such as Mugla and Antalya during peak fire seasons. The gendarmerie utilizes them for border patrols, counter-terrorism operations, and troop transport, while the land and air forces deploy them for cargo delivery, rapid troop movement, and logistical support in challenging terrains. Police aviation units have integrated the helicopters into urban security missions, VIP transport, and air ambulance duties, demonstrating the platform's adaptability to both military and civilian needs. The helicopter's capacity to perform medical evacuation and disaster response missions further underscores its role as a multipurpose tool for a range of national security and civil protection tasks. Despite the successful rollout, the program has faced external challenges due to U.S. sanctions implemented in 2020. In October 2024, Lockheed Martin partially suspended program activities, citing force majeure related to difficulties in securing export licenses and software updates necessary for production. The company warned of potential contract restructuring or termination, which could have led to financial setbacks, though Turkish authorities reported that cumulative losses were minimal as production continued uninterrupted. Negotiations between Ankara and Washington remain crucial for the completion of the remaining 70 helicopters, but the domestic industrial base has allowed deliveries to continue at a steady, if slower, pace. The T-70 program is part of a broader modernization initiative that encompasses air mobility, advanced sensors, and updated small arms systems. In August 2025, the land forces accepted a T-70 helicopter alongside new equipment, including the KMG-556 light machine gun and the Dragon I-2 thermal camera. The Dragon I-2 combines mid-wave infrared sensing, high-definition color TV imaging, laser rangefinding, integrated GPS, compass functions, and digital video outputs, providing versatile surveillance and targeting capabilities. The KMG-556 weighs 7.8 kilograms, with a rate of fire between 750 and 950 rounds per minute and effective ranges of 800 meters for area targets and 600 meters for point targets. It is equipped with a telescopic stock and a quick-change barrel. These acquisitions demonstrate a coordinated effort to enhance operational readiness and capability across multiple branches of the Turkish armed forces and affiliated security agencies. The T-70's continued induction reflects Turkey's strategic emphasis on domestic production, technological self-sufficiency, and multi-role versatility. By maintaining production despite external restrictions, Turkey has strengthened its aerospace industry and ensured that its military and civil agencies receive reliable rotorcraft for a wide spectrum of missions. From disaster response to high-intensity military operations, the T-70 has become a key component of Turkey's approach to national security and defense modernization. Its integration into various agencies demonstrates a comprehensive planning effort to balance operational needs with industrial growth, allowing the country to achieve both strategic autonomy and mission capability. As the Turkish Air Force continues to expand its T-70 fleet, the program serves as a model for leveraging licensed foreign technology while maximizing domestic production capabilities. It highlights the importance of integrated industrial planning, knowledge transfer, and interagency cooperation, all while navigating complex international regulatory environments. With additional deliveries planned and ongoing modernization across multiple defense sectors, the T-70 program illustrates Turkey's long-term commitment to developing a resilient, self-sufficient, and technologically advanced aviation infrastructure capable of supporting both military and civilian objectives.